PSNY stock, Polestar Automotive, has been printing 52-week lows for the past 6 trading sessions. Today as well, the 8th of September, it printed yet another one, and things are not looking wonderful at all for the stock. And this is a 1-minute chart on Street Smart Edge. Let's look at the chart on Trading View and see what's going on. Let's see what the projections are indicating. PSNY. Okay, this is the 1-minute chart. We have this is a 1-minute chart. We might have some projections for its moving average, but it's not very clear because it's just been moving sideways in this session. Let's see whether it's a lot more. Okay, it's it's I think I saw before this the the Fibonacci projections came out. Okay, they are it's projecting. Okay, I think what I can do is close this. I'll be able to see what the projections are. You can see that it's projecting a downward move for the 10-period moving average on this 5-minute chart. Let's look at the 1-minute chart. We might get the same impression as well. Okay, not just pretty much a sideways movement. Let's look at the 45-minute chart and see. On the 10-period moving average, equally sloping down, projecting a downward move for the moving average, and indeed probably the stock itself. But on the daily chart, 1-day chart, you can see these dots. They're all looking up. They're projecting upward moves for the 10-period moving average. Okay, let's see here. Let's get this one here. It's saying that by Wednesday the 13th of September, Wednesday the 13th of September, this moving average might be at $3.78. If it's at 3.78, the stock itself might be somewhere higher than that. So let's put on the Fibonacci projections. Okay, you can see that. So the projections here are very much ambitious, very much bullish. It has way more upper projections because the stock has been retracing constantly for the last 6 trading sessions. At some point they're going to come and buy this dip, and it has a downward projection of 2.54 on this 1-day daily chart. There's nothing else projected. Everything else is an upward one. Probably the reason why we have the 10-period moving average being projected to move up, rather projecting that the stock might rebound. It might rebound. So let's get this one. This is the Friday the 15th of April. 4.28 for that moving average. $4.28 for that 10-day moving average, and we have this one somewhere around, I would say maybe around $4.7. This is as of Monday the 18th of September. All of these are projections. There's no guarantee they will happen, but those are projections for the moving average, 10-period moving average. And let's see, for the stock itself, we have an upward projection of 3.49, 3.85. 3.85 is just above a projection of a 10-day moving average there. And then we have $4.09. We have 4.26. We have 4.46. We have 4.72. We have 5.04. Have $6.01. All of these are on the 1-day chart. Let's look at the 1-week chart and see. There's a good chance we might have an upward, yes, a very much bullish upward projections here as well, all the way towards 13.95. This is a weekly chart, but the weekly chart is not looking like what the the daily chart is looking. It's not this. It's projecting a downward. It has downward projections. Okay, no, yeah, downward projections. A lot more downward projections. This is a weekly chart, so it prints every week. So downward projections all the way towards. It's indicating that they might get a pivot. Or as of Monday, the 20th of October, it's supposed to. It expects that 10-period moving average to pivot at or find a bottom at $3.43, and then it will start to look up, and by Monday the 9th of October it should be at it's expecting it to be at projecting it to be at $3.72, and then we have another one here somewhere, I would say here 4.99 as of Monday the 16th of October. These are weekly projections. There's no guarantee any of these will happen. They're just based on what has happened, yeah. Okay, in any case, let's look at the order book for PSNY. This is the order book for the stock. This is where the market orders. These are the market orders. They are the ones that easily go through, because with market order, you buy anything, you buy what the market is trading at. You buy or sell at the going rate, at the going price. Okay, so this is where they are all printed, and then these are the ask side. These are the bid sides, the one decide to sell. So they're not. You can see they're not very much active, largely because a lot of these orders are placed with limit orders. You can see the prices they are quoting here. These guys want to sell 2.93, 2.9. You can see higher prices. The stock is not trading at those prices, and these guys want to sell at them. You can see that they want to sell at them, so they're not going through because they have not been met. And you can see this side. This is the ask side. You can see people are trying to buy the dip. They're expecting it to dip further, 2.24. You can see, but not all of them are going through. These ones will gradually be going through. So this is it's a bit quiet. And on the stock, there are fundamental issues going on, I think, with the stock. Yeah. So PSNY, very bearish, very, very bearish. The logic here on Charles Schwab is saying that it breached a new 52-week low of 2.79. This is beneath the previous low of 2.81 by 0.71%, and it is 66.2% below the 52-week high of $8.26. And it's in a strong bearish trend. The shares are below a declining 200-day moving average, and it's also lagging the S&P 500. Momentum is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares of PSNY and driving the price lower. The last 10 trading sessions have seen significant volume in PSNY, with average daily volume above the average for the last year. Today's volume is no exception, with 3.57 million shares having been traded already. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. So with heavy volumes also comes a potential pivot. With heavy volumes, it's just an indication that those that are participating are probably taking their money out, or taking advantage of the current trend. So they are much more fleeting. It tends to indicate the presence of fleeting market participants. So maybe, but based on what the algos are projecting as it concerns its 10-day moving average, it might a rebound is on the cards at some point. At some point, it has to stop retracing. This is the sixth straight session of retracement. At some point, yes, it might rebound. So see what you make of it, and thank you very much for watching this video. But before we go, let's see what the short interest is. Okay, yeah, you can use short squeeze and find shortsqueeze.com. See, we can use it and find out what the short interest is on PSNY. PSNY. Short interest is 2%. 2%. Let's see. Okay, short interest is off exchange, it's 65.88. We can't see any short interest figure here. Okay, but we'll take that 2%. So once again, see what you make of PSNY, and thank you very much for watching this video.